Okay, hello from Caracas again, and today I'm going to show you the different sections of my workshop called Moodle for my colleagues at the university. We have an introductory module, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's call it academic modules, and a final module. In the introductory module, we have a banner, we have a video, a welcome video, then the institutional announcement, the introduction to the whole workshop, and a didactic guide. This is a requirement in my university to have a didactic guide with all the information that relates to the learning activity. The introduction, the objective, the public, the methodology, the didactic sequences, the assessment plan, and the certification. All this information is in the didactic guide. And then, after the didactic guide, here we have a video with all the information regarding the workshop. You can have a look if you want. Then the support forum, and the first activity that all the students must do is to edit the profile in the virtual classroom. I have a video here and some instructions, and well, just to remember that this site is under construction. Then we have the different modules. We need to remember that we are going the flipped classroom mode. A banner, some basic knowledge about Moodle, the general objective, just to remind the participants that we are using the flipped classroom first. Then we have the resources, videos, sites in internet, and then we'll go to the activities. The support forum, meeting with all the students using Big Blue Bottom. It could be another tool, another application. Then a discussion forum. Then we can ask them to make some reflections about the module, and the evaluation, assessment of the forum. It is a video. They will use a screen pad to just make the video, and then all they have to do is just to write down the URL of the video they have already get up in YouTube. Well, this is the structure for all the modules. For the academic module, it's the same structure. Here we have how to navigate in Moodle, then how to set up courses and go around with information in the courses. Module 4 on how to interact with the students. Module 5 how to assess and make the follow-up of our students. Then module 6 how to personalize the appearance and the functionality of our course. And finally the module, the end module, the final module, with the showcase and reflect forum, an evaluation of the workshop assessment, and the approbation certificate. This is then the general structure of the virtual classroom for the workshop Moodle for my colleagues at the university. Thank you very much for viewing my video.